Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into all things intimacy, relationships, and figuring out those little moments that can make all the difference in your connection with your partner. Today we're talking about something that might seem small, but can actually say a lot. When she touches your arm during sex. Yep, you heard that right. It's not just about where things are happening in the heat of the moment. It's also about those subtle touches that reveal so much more than you might realize. So, if you've ever wondered why she's reaching out to hold your arm or caress it during intimacy, stick around. We're about to uncover what that really means. And trust me, it's deeper than you think. 1. Touch is a powerful form of communication. Alright, before we dive into the specifics of what it means when she's touching your arm, let's talk about something super important: touch. Touch is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication, especially during sex. It's not just about the physical sensations. It's about the emotions behind it. When she reaches out to touch your arm, it's often her way of communicating something without using words. Maybe she's feeling connected. Maybe she wants reassurance, or maybe she's just really enjoying the moment and wants to feel closer to you. Think of it this way. While you might be focused on other things during sex, her arm touch is like a little emotional nudge saying, "Hey, I'm here with you." So let's break down what it could mean when she's doing this. 2. Sign number 1. She's feeling secure and comfortable. One of the most common reasons she might be touching your arm during sex is because she feels secure and comfortable with you. Think about it. When we feel safe with someone, we naturally reach out to them. Holding your arm, whether it's a light touch or a firm grip, is her way of grounding herself in the moment and reinforcing that sense of trust. This is a great sign that she feels connected to you, both emotionally and physically. It's a subtle way of saying, "I trust you, I feel safe with you, and I'm enjoying this." And if she's holding onto your arm during those intimate moments, take it as a sign that you're doing something right. 3. Sign number 2. She's seeking closeness and emotional intimacy. Now, touching your arm can also be a way of seeking closeness. Sure, sex is physically intimate, but there's an emotional side to it as well. If she's gently caressing or holding your arm, it could mean she's looking for more than just physical pleasure. She's craving that emotional connection. In these moments, she might be feeling particularly vulnerable or wanting to express her deeper feelings for you. By touching your arm, she's making sure that the experience is about both of you being fully present and connected. So, when she does this, it's a great time to show her that you're just as connected. Maybe you respond by giving her a reassuring squeeze, or you whisper something sweet in her ear. It's all about reinforcing that emotional bond. 4. Sign number 3. She's in the moment and enjoying it. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes when she's touching your arm during sex, it's because she's just really into it. Yup, that touch can be a sign that she's totally caught up in the moment and loving what's happening. Maybe she's gripping your arm or pulling you closer because the sensations are intense and she's feeling everything in a big way. This is a sign that she's super engaged and really enjoying the experience with you. It's her way of staying physically connected while she's riding that wave of pleasure. If she's touching your arm in this way, go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. You're probably hitting all the right spots. 5. Sign number 4. She wants to slow down or adjust the rhythm. Now, while we've talked about positive emotions like connection and enjoyment, there's another possibility to consider. Sometimes, when she touches your arm during sex, it could be her way of signaling that she wants to slow things down or adjust the rhythm. This isn't a bad thing at all. In fact, it's an amazing way for her to communicate what she needs in the moment. Maybe the pace is too fast, or she's looking for a little more tenderness. Instead of saying something, she might just touch your arm as a subtle way of asking you to tune into her needs. Next time you feel that soft touch or gentle pull, take a moment to check in. Slow down, ask her how she's feeling, or adjust the way you're moving. This shows that you're paying attention to her needs, which, let's face it, is incredibly sexy. 6. Sign number 5. She's reassuring you or herself. And finally, there's another layer to this that's worth mentioning. Sometimes, touching your arm is about reassurance. Maybe she's reassuring herself, feeling vulnerable and wanting to hold on to something that grounds her. Or maybe she's trying to reassure you, letting you know that she's present, engaged, and with you in the moment. Sex can be a vulnerable experience, and that touch could be a simple way of saying, "We're in this together." It's a powerful reminder that intimacy is about more than just the physical. It's about emotional closeness and support too. So, next time she touches your arm during sex, pay attention. It's more than just a physical gesture. Whether she's feeling connected, seeking emotional closeness, or signaling a change in pace, that touch is her way of communicating with you. Remember, every touch and gesture can mean something different for every person. So don't be afraid to talk openly with your partner about what feels good and what they're thinking in the moment. Communication is key, and understanding those little cues can make all the difference in your intimacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on relationships, intimacy, and all the ways you can strengthen your connection with your partner. Until next time, keep those communication lines open and enjoy the journey together.